Hello friends, Arun here. Today I am auditing a Windows configuration profile live in our fresh Intune lab. We'll confirm the setting, check the assignment scope, open the deployment reports, and make sure only our approved hacker pilot device can receive it. I am starting in Devices and Configuration. The profile we created today is named Intune Lab Edge ShowHomeButton. That name tells us the environment, platform, purpose, and pilot target before we even open it. Clear naming becomes very important when your tenant grows from 3 profiles to 300. I'll open the profile now. The overview shows device and user check-in status. At the moment, every counter is 0. That does not automatically mean the policy is broken. A newly created profile can take time to appear in reporting because the assigned device must check in, receive policy, evaluate the setting, and upload status. The correct response is to verify the scope and wait for evidence, not to change several settings at once. Below the status summary, the Properties page gives us the full safety review. The description says this is a lab-only Microsoft Edge profile. The platform is Windows, and the Included Groups section shows only Intune Lab Pilot Hacker. There are no excluded groups, and the scope tag is default. Now I'm opening Edit Assignments. This screen is where many accidental deployments happen, so slow down here. I can see one included group, it is active, and Intune reports 1 device and 0 users. I have not selected all users or all devices. I also have not included a second device group. This is exactly what a controlled pilot should look like. I am not changing the assignment, so I use cancel instead of review and save. That is a good operational habit. If you only open the page to inspect it, leave without submitting an unnecessary write. Next, I open Edit Configuration Settings. This is a settings catalog profile, so the configured value is organized by product and category. I expand Microsoft Edge, then Startup, Home page and New tab page. There is one configured setting, Show Home button on toolbar. Its value is enabled. Notice how focused this profile is. 1 policy, 1 purpose, and 1 setting. Small profiles are easier to test and troubleshoot because a failure has fewer possible causes. For this lesson, the Home button is also a low-risk, visible change. If the policy succeeds, the result is easy to confirm on the hacker device. If we need to roll it back, we can remove the pilot assignment or return the setting to not configured. Again, I am only reviewing, so I cancel the edit. I am not toggling the setting, and I am not saving a new revision. Now let's look at monitoring. Device assignment status is designed to show the devices targeted by the policy, including devices that may still be pending assignment. I open the report and generate it. Right now, there is no reported device row. Because this is a brand new policy, that result is consistent with a device that has not yet completed check-in and status reporting. The safe troubleshooting sequence is straightforward. First, confirm that hacker is still a member of the pilot group. Second, confirm that the device is online and enrolled. Third, trigger a normal sync from company portal or from Access Work or School on the Windows device. Fourth, return to this report after the device has had time to process policy. Do not repeatedly recreate the profile, and do not broaden the assignment just to make a row appear. I'll also open per setting status. This report groups success, error, and conflict results by individual setting. It currently shows no items, and the portal warns that reporting can be delayed. Once hacker checks in, this is the view I will use to determine whether the Home button setting succeeded, failed, or conflicted with another policy. If the result later shows an error, Open the device status first and record the error details before editing anything. If it shows conflict, look for another Edge policy that configures the same setting. If it remains pending, check enrollment, connectivity, group membership, and the last sync time. That sequence protects the evidence you need for a real root cause analysis. Today's result is a clean safety audit, one focused Edge setting, one hacker-only device group, no broad assignment, and the correct monitoring paths ready for verification. In the next lab, I'll show you how to sync the pilot device and investigate pending, error, and conflict states without guessing. If this helped, subscribe and continue the Fresh Tenant series with me. I'm Arun and I'll see you in the next video.